In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emojis in Monopoly Go. Now, you might think sending emojis is straightforward, but there are a few little steps you need to follow to get it just right. So let's dive in and make sure you can add a bit more fun and expressiveness to your interactions with friends in Monopoly Go. First things first, you're going to want to open Monopoly Go on your device. If you're already familiar with the app, this won't take long at all. Just locate the Monopoly Go icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and give it a tap. If it's the first time you're playing today, you might see a loading screen for a moment, so just hold tight while the game gets ready. Once you're in the game, let's focus on the social aspect. You'll need to tap on the friends section. This is where you can manage your in-game friendships and keep track of everyone you're connected with in Monopoly Go. It's usually easy to find on the screen, and it plays a key role in how you interact with your game buddies. After you've tapped on friends, you'll see various options to navigate through your social interactions. Your next move is to tap on the timeline. Now, the timeline is a neat feature as it allows you to see recent activities and interactions your friends have been up to in the game. It gives you a glimpse into their gaming adventures and is the perfect place to start when you want to reach out to a friend with an emoji. Now scroll through your timeline until you locate the friend you want to send an emoji to. You might have a lot of friends, and that's great, so it may take a moment to find the right person. But keep an eye out for their avatar or username. Once you've found them, you're nearly there. The next step is pretty simple. You're going to tap on send. By doing this, you'll open up a slate of communication options with your friend. Now, the real fun begins. After tapping on send, the emoji board appears. This is where you can get creative and a bit playful. Choose from the selection of emojis and tap on the one that best represents what you want to express to your friend. Whether it's a cheerful smiley face or a cheeky wink. Taking this moment to personalize your communication can really enhance the gaming experience for both you and your friend. And that's all there is to it. Sending emojis in Monopoly Go is a breeze once you know the steps. So go ahead, try it out and add that extra touch of emotion to your Monopoly Go interactions. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.